So now we will solve the problems. So the first problem is what? Determine the strength of the bolt used in lap joint as shown in figure. Use M16 bolt with property class 4.6 and strength of the plate is 410 Newton per mm square, and the diagram they are given like this, and the center to center distance it is called as pitch, and this is the edge distance, it is denoted by E, and the connection they are given as lap joint connection. So this is the lap joint connection. So one plate is of 10 mm thickness, another one plate is of 8 mm thickness. So this is the problem they are given. So now we have to first write on the given data. So what are all the data they have given? So first one is the data is M16 bolt. So what is M16? If it is M16, then the diameter of the bolt is how much? 16 mm. Next, diameter of the bolt hole. The formula is what? D naught is equals to D plus clearance. So D is how much? 16 mm diameter bolt, that is 16 plus. If the diameter is between 16 to 24, then the clearance is how much? 2 mm. So 16 plus 2, that is 18 mm. So according to the diagram, edge distance is how much? 30 mm, and the pitch they are given as 50 mm. Okay. If they are not given the edge distance and if they are not given the pitch, then you have to use the formula as you know, E is equals to 1.7 into D naught, or E is equals to 1.5 into D naught, and for pitch 2.5 times of diameter. And next, the property class they are given in the question is how much? Property class is 4.6. Properties class they are given as 4.6. So the property class is 4.6. So now we have to find out the ultimate tensile strength of bolt. So how will you find out the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt? So open page number 13, IS 800. So this is your page number 13, IS 800. So the property class is over here. So the property class they have given is 4.6. If the property class 4.6, then the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt is how much? 400 Newton per mm square. Okay, this is the ultimate tensile strength, and this is the grade or classification. So how much is the property class they have given? Property class is 4.6. If the property class is 4.6, then the value of FUB is how much? 400 Newton per mm square. So since the property class is 4.6, so this is which type of bolt? This is black bolt. Okay. So how much is the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt? FUB is equals to 400 Newton per mm square, and as given in the question, ultimate tensile strength of the plate is equals to 410 Newton per mm square. So which type of bolt it is? Since it is black bolt, the property class is 4.6. So if the property class is 4.6, then it is called as black bolt. So if it is black bolt, we have to find out the strength of the black bolt. So how we have to find out the strength of the black bolt? There are two methods. There are two strengths we have to find out. First one is shear strength of the black bolt, second one is bearing strength of the black bolt. So out of these two, that is shear strength and bearing strength, so which will be the least value, that will be your bolt value. So first one is which one now? Shear strength of bolt. So from where you will get? From page number 75, IS 800. So what is the formula for that? The formula is what? VDSB is equals to, the formula is shear strength of the black bolt, VDSB is equals to VNSB divided by gamma MB, VNSB divided by gamma MB. So first we have to find out VNSB. So how will you find out the VNSB formula? It is also on page number 75, IS 800. VNSB is equals to FUB divided by root 3 into NN into ANB plus NS into ASB. So FUB value how much you got? 400 divided by root 3 into. So how we have to find out now? See here. Assume there is no thread within the shear failure plane. If you are going to consider shank part, then no thread we have to consider. If you are going to consider the thread part, then no shank we have to consider. If you are going to consider the thread part, then the shank part will become 0, and if you are going to consider the shank part, thread part will automatically become 0. So now we assume there is no thread within the shear failure plane. So no thread. So no thread means this whole part will become 0, that is 0. So FUB value you will get it from the page number 13, IS 800, that is 400 Newton per mm square. So 400 divided by root 3 into 0 is the shank part, so thread part, plus NN value is how much? 1 into ASB formula is what? pi d square by 4. So pi into 16 square by 4, that is 201.6 mm square. So you'll get it like this. So then you will get VNSB value. After getting VNSB value, substitute over here and divide by gamma MB, that is 1.25. You will get the value of VDSB, that is shear strength of black bolt. How much you got? 37.24 kilonewton. Next is what? Next step is we have to find out the bearing strength. So how will you find out the bearing strength of the bolt? So the formula is what? VDPB is equals to VNPB divided by gamma MB. So first we have to find out VNPB. So how will you find out VNPB? 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU. This is in page number 75 IS 800, the formula is in. So first we need to find out the KB value. So how will you find out the KB value? KB value is smaller of what? E by 3 D naught. Next, P by 3 D naught minus 0.25, FUB divided by FU and 1. So out of these 4 values, which will be the least value, that will be your KB value. So E is how much now? Edge distance. E is known as edge distance 30 divided by 3 into D naught. D naught is what? Diameter of the bolt hole, that is 18. So 30 divided by 3 into 18 will get it as 0.56. Next is P by 3 D naught. P is what? Pitch. 50 divided by 3 into 18 minus 0.25. You will get it as 0.67. FUB divided by FU, that is 400 divided by 14, will get it as 0.97. And then the last value is 1. So out of these 4 values, which one is the least value? So first value is 0.56, second value is 0.67, third value is 0.97, fourth value is 1. So out of these 4 values, which one is the least value? 0.56. So take the least value, that is KB is equals to 0.56. So now substitute this KB value in this formula, that is 2.5 into KB is 0.56 into D is what? Diameter into T is what? Thickness. Thickness, how we have to find out? Thickness, there are 2 thickness they are given in the question, correct? So one is 8 mm thickness, another one is 10 mm thickness. So out of these 2, which will be the least value? That will be your thickness. So out of 8 and 10, which one is the least value? 8 mm is the least value. So thickness is equals to 8 mm. So now 2.5 into KB, you got it as 0.56 into 16 is the diameter, into 8 is the thickness, into FU, that is ultimate tensile strength of the plate, 410. So you'll get it as 71.68, and then you divide it by 1.25, you'll get it as 57.34. So now we have to find out the bolt value or strength of the black bolt. So how will you find out the strength of the black bolt? Least of VDPB and VDSB, that is least of shear strength and bearing strength, will give you the bolt value. So which one is the least value? First value is how much? First value is 37.24, and the second value is how much? 57.34. So out of these 2, which one is the least value? That is 7.24. So this is your bolt value.